What's the meaning of air mattress? Air mattress. Air mattress. Air mattress. Air mattress. Air mattress.
An air mattress is a type of mattress that is inflated with air and serves as an alternative to a traditional, spring-filled mattress. These mattresses are portable and can be easily packed up for travel or stored away when not in use. They are often used for camping trips, guest rooms, or as temporary bedding solutions. Air mattresses are available in a variety of sizes and styles, including those with built-in pumps, pillow tops, and varying levels of firmness. Overall, an air mattress provides a convenient and comfortable sleeping surface that can be adjusted to personal preferences.